Listen, they might not see it. Shut up. They might not see it, but I see what you're doing. Shut up. I'm not listening to you. No, because what you did is, and you profiled me, bitch. You profiled me, bitch.
The 18th of February, 2025, Florida. Officer contact was initiated by a Good Samaritan's report of a person in distress, not by officer-initiated observation. Under Brigham City v. Stuart, 2006, the emergency aid exception permits officers to respond to a person in apparent need without prior criminal probable cause. This is the legal predicate on which the entire encounter rests.
Why are you taking me to jail, bro? Why are you running with the
people trying to help you and you want to be an intoxicated idiot. Sit in the car.
Alright,
have a seat.
No, wait, this is not fair, bro. No.
Well, you chose this, not us. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm all right. You okay?
I'm good. I was just riding by and I just saw her laying in the ground.
You know what happened?
No, she was just like not convulsing, but just like I didn't know if she was drunk or if she was hit.
Okay.
So myself and someone else stopped and she just kept trying to get up and I told her just to sit and wait.
Oh.
So no, I didn't hit her.
So she just laying there having convulsions?
I wouldn't say convulsions, but she couldn't get up. She was just like all disoriented.
Okay.
And I didn't want to move.
All right, thank you. Just give me a second.
You hit this pole. No, I know. The guy, you know when it goes white? You know when it goes white for somebody to cross? He went and I swerved and I hit the pole. This is how this whole disaster started.
So you swerved to try to avoid getting in an accident. You hit the pole, fell on the ground.
And the light turned white. You know when it shows the little Walkman? I went when the Walkman went, and the guy turned. I turned, and to avoid him, I hit the pole.
Okay.
That's literally the only issue.
How are you gonna get home?
What she saying happened?
She's just intoxicated. She said she tried to avoid somebody. We hit this pole, but she was talking about someone over there. But I think she just hit this pole and then fell. Nothing on her bike says that she got hit by a car. She said she avoided getting hit, and she hit this pole. That's it.
I heard her, but she said she never hit the car. Just this pole?
Yeah, the car.
Yeah. No, this is a passerby.
Yeah, that's
She was just laying there.
yeah, I thought I heard her.
Step right here.
The whole this I wonder where that is.
You're good. Thank you.
You sound like you're sick.
54 on a signal for 67.
Yeah, they beat me up, but I'm gonna catch him on the flip side.
What do you want to do?
And you guys are gonna come to my house.
67?
See what I mean?
Yeah.
I can pick your choice. I can give my bike up and I can get the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
Okay, bro. Okay, it's
It's
all
all
good.
over the place.
You guys on the driveway?
What's that?
You guys on the driveway?
What's the address?
Is that a trailer park?
No, I'm
right
running
here.
Okay.
You got your ID on you?
Yes, I do. What do you guys think I am, an immigrant? Here, man, here, take it. Take my ID. I'm not a bad person. I'm a good person. You got f***ed up.
Listen, we just came to get home too.
Don't feel like it. Oh, where are you from?
And they're actually hooking you up.
If you're trying to figure out
I'm sorry.
which home.
Let's see your license.
I'm not an immigrant. Here you go.
Can you take it out for us? Please?
Bitch, you don't know how to take it out yourself?
It's your wallet. I don't want to go through your wallet.
You really think I'm an immigrant? You really think I ain't got no
It
papers?
ain't about you being an
No,
immigrant.
it really thinks you think I'm an immigrant, bro.
Nobody said anything.
I'm saying, no, it's not I'm telling you here. Watch it, look at it. I'm the same way where your mama came from, bro. Got it. Exactly, shut up.
Look, we're all trying
Shut
to help
up. Shut up.
You're going to try to get
Shut
your
up,
ride
bitch.
home,
I'm gonna
okay?
hear you.
you. They're trying to help you out.
I don't give a f about this pussy I saw.
Why you being
Why you
No,
fucking
because you
asshole?
racist and you're fucking Listen, they
I'm
might
trying to
not
help
see
you
it.
get home.
Shut up. They might not see it, but I see what
Hey,
you're doing.
hey,
Shut up. I'm not listening to you. No, because what you did is, and you profiled me, bitch. You profiled me, bitch. I'm so smart. I did the training. Dumbass. No, he just profiled me like I'm a dumbass.
Fabiola?
No.
What did you say?
No, what?
Oh, I don't know. I'm on 96.
I'm a educated ass woman. What the did you see? What the did you see, bitch ass? What did you see?
Listen, I'm not trying to do
What do you
anything to
see?
you. I'm
Don't
just
touch
trying
me.
to get
Don't
you
touch
home,
me.
okay? Keep
Don't
your
touch
arms
me.
down.
Don't touch
raise
me.
your arms
Don't
up.
touch me.
Okay?
Don't
Because you're going
touch
to end up going somewhere you don't
You're
need to go.
touching me, and I'm asking you not to touch me.
Okay,
And
well, don't come up to me
get off of
aggressive,
me.
okay?
Get off of me. Get off of me.
Stop.
Get off of me.
Stop.
Get off of me. You're not my daddy. Who are you?
Stop.
Shut up, bitch.
That's it.
Yeah. I'm going to jail for what?
23-1.
No, point 3, yeah, I'm going to jail for what? Let me get my shit. Let me get my wallet, man. I'm going to jail for what? I'm going to jail for what?
We're trying to help you.
It's okay. It's alright. It's okay.
23, just one.
I'm going to jail for speaking on my... Could somebody please pick up my wallet?
Yeah, get the arm. Get that arm. Get that arm. She just slipped out
Yeah,
and
I'm
fell.
holding this one down. I got it.
Yeah, go ahead, man. You know what it is. This house, baby.
Florida Statute Section 316.003, subsection 2, defines a bicycle as every vehicle propelled solely by human power. Florida's DUI statute, section 316.193, applies to any vehicle operating a bicycle at a blood alcohol level of 0.31, nearly 4 times the legal limit, satisfies both the per se BAC element and the impairment element of the statute independently. A blood alcohol level of 0.31 is classified as severe intoxication approaching fatal levels. Florida courts treat BAC above 0.08 as per se proof of impaired normal faculties. At 0.31, motor coordination, reaction time, and spatial awareness are so severely degraded that the accident is independently explicable by the intoxication regardless of any pedestrian. The subject identified as an immigrant and accused officers of racial profiling. Under the 14th Amendment, law enforcement may not use race or national origin as an enforcement basis. However, contact was initiated by a third-party Good Samaritan report, not by officer-initiated observation of the subject. A documented race-neutral contact predicate defeats the profiling claim on the facts in this record. The subject's verbal confrontation, including profanity, directed at officers is protected speech. Under City of Houston v. Hill, 1987, profanity directed at law enforcement is not a criminal offense, standing alone. The arrest was triggered by a documented .31 BAC on a vehicle, not by her speech. Florida Statute Section 843.0. Resisting without violence, was additionally satisfied when she slipped out of handcuffs during the arrest.
What do you mean that? And you're squeezing super tight. Look, it is the outlet. You're squeezing.
You guys are good.
You're squeezing them super tight. For what?
Yeah, so do we.
I gotta get I ain't gonna jail. But now I gotta hit with my bike. Now I go hit my jail. That's okay. That's all my life has this. Yeah, why are you taking me to jail, bro? Why are you running me
Because
out?
people trying to help you and you want to be an intoxicated idiot. Sit in the car.
Why? What?
Have a seat.
No, wait, this is not fair, bro. No.
Well, you chose this, not us. Stand up and sit in the car.
Bro, you're running the hold
Sit
on.
in the car.
Hold on, can we talk?
Step into
Hold
the
on,
car.
can we talk? Hold on, wait.
Step into
Wait.
the car.
Sit in the car.
Boss, can we please talk? Boss, please. Boss,
Have a seat.
Boss, can we talk about this, boss? Please. Boss, please.
We'll talk about it in a minute, okay? If you sit down and breathe for a minute, sit.
Please, boss.
Put yourself in the car for a minute.
Please, boss.
Slide
Slide
in.
in there, sit down, and just breathe.
Take a
first.
breather. One traffic down. 10-9 left. We have 54 on the injury. She signaled to fell off her bike.
I would never be nothing. I just lost everything. I just lost everything.
You want us to lock up her bike or anything for you guys, or there's a lock on it, so
I don't know. We might have somebody even. 26. We might just have somebody transported to evidence or something like that. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. You said there is a like.
yeah, there's a lock on it, so. I think it's stolen.
Yeah, that's obviously we're gonna have to run that. So.
It's locked up.
All right.
Oh, you wanted to take it?
Yeah, I didn't know what we were doing yet with it. If we drop it off in evidence, safekeeping.
The officer receives a B+. Contact was race neutral and legally sound. Composure was maintained throughout the profiling accusations without engaging in argument or altering the lawful arrest. The de-escalation patience in the car sequence reflects professional judgment. Deductions. You want to be an intoxicated idiot. And shut up bitch are unprofessional on a body cam record, regardless of the subject's conduct. The subject receives a D, a blood alcohol level of 0.31 while operating. A bicycle on a road is a dangerous DUI under Florida law. The accident was the foreseeable result of that level of impairment. The profiling accusation was not supported by the contact record. The emotional breakdown is acknowledged. It does not change the legal consequences. 3 takeaways. First, in Florida, a bicycle is a vehicle under Section 316.003. The DUI statute, Section 316.193, applies fully. Operating a bicycle at 0.31 is the same offense as driving a car at 0.31. Second, when contact is initiated by a third-party emergency report, the race-neutral predicate is documented. That predicate defeats a racial profiling claim under the 14th Amendment. Third, First Amendment protection of speech, directed at law enforcement, is real and courts enforce it. But that protection does not convert a DUI arrest, grounded in a 0.31 BAC on a vehicle, into a speech arrest because the subject was also verbally confrontational. The arrest's validity is evaluated based on what triggered it. Speech neither caused the arrest nor immunizes the subject from the DUI charge. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.